Hello everyone, it's Lacey with Graham Auto Repair, and today I want to tell you about a customer appreciation drawing that we will be holding during the month of September 2020. Starting September 1st and going through September 28th, we will be collecting entries for our drawing. We will be giving away 4 $50 gift cards to Target. Keep watching this video so that you can find out how you can be entered to win. There are 4 ways that you can be entered into our drawing, and you can do all of these one time per week in order to get up to 4 entries per week during the month of September. The first way that you can earn an entry into our drawing is by liking and sharing any of our posts on Facebook. It doesn't matter which one, any post from our Facebook page. The second way that you can earn an entry for our drawing is by liking and commenting on one of our Instagram posts. The third way that you can earn an entry for our drawing is by liking and sharing a post on our LinkedIn page. The fourth way that you can earn an entry for our drawing is by taking a picture of yourself in front of Graham Auto Repair or inside Graham Auto Repair and sharing it on your Facebook, your Instagram, or your LinkedIn page. Make sure that when you share a post on your Facebook or Instagram or your LinkedIn page that you tag Graham Auto Repair in that post so that we will be able to see it and make sure that you get an entry into our drawing. I have put a link to each of our 3 social media accounts mentioned in the description section of this YouTube video so that you'll be able to easily find a link to our LinkedIn, our Facebook, and our Instagram pages. I will also make sure to include links to those 3 accounts in the comment section of this video as well. I said this already, but just to make sure that you didn't miss it, you can get up to 4 entries into the drawing per week for the month of September by doing each of the things that I already mentioned. Liking and sharing on Facebook, liking and commenting on Instagram, liking and sharing on LinkedIn, and sharing a photo of yourself at Graham Auto Repair on your own social media account and tagging us. Some important things that I don't want to forget to mention. You must live in Washington State in order to win and participate in this drawing, and you must be 18 or older. You can only win once, so if you win in one of the weeks, you will not be able to win again in another week during the month of September. If you do win, we would love for you to be able to come down to the shop to meet with us, to take a picture, possibly a video if you're willing, so that we can share that on our social media pages so that we can show everyone who won. It is not required that you like or follow us on Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn in order to win. If you do, we would love your support because it does help us to have you like and follow us on those pages and like and follow us on YouTube as well. However, it will not get you any extra entries into the drawing by becoming a follower on one of our pages today if you weren't already one before. We want to make sure that everyone has an equal opportunity to win, all of our followers that we've had since the beginning, and the new followers and any future followers as well. We will be holding the weekly drawings every Tuesday in September. I have posted the dates in the description of the video, but I will go ahead and share those with you now as well. So for week 1, September 1st through September 7th, the first drawing will be held on Tuesday, September 8th. For the second drawing, September 8th through September 14th, the second drawing will be held on Tuesday, September 15th. For the third drawing, September 15th through September 21st, For the third drawing, September 15th through September 21st, the third drawing will be held on Tuesday, September 22nd. And for the fourth and final drawing, for September 22nd through September 28th, we will hold the last drawing on Tuesday, September 29th. If you have any questions about this or anything else, feel free to send us a message through our website, www.grahamautorepair.com, or you can send us a message through Facebook, through Messenger. You can also send us a direct message through Instagram, or you can give us a call at 253-847-2221. Thanks so much, everyone, for your continued support. Wow, what was that? Thanks so much, everyone, for your continued support of us here at Graham Auto Repair. We appreciate you all so much. We look forward to seeing your posts through the month of September. We will be posting a video of each of the 4 drawings during the month of September, so keep a lookout for those. Just so you know, we will contact you through Facebook or Instagram or LinkedIn unless we have your phone number. Whichever way that you tag us or make your posts, we will contact you through there. So make sure you watch for the video of the winners, and also watch for us to contact you. We will let you know and make sure that we find out who you are so that we can let you know that you won. Talk to you soon. Have a great weekend. Bye.